First day in North Island of New Zealand. We drove from Auckland to Rotorua with stops on the way to see the glowworms in a cave. It involved walking through the native New Zealand forest. Some people were rafting through the caves in the river. These are the glowworms. That's another view of the glowworms. Then we walked through a small area of a native New Zealand forest. This was the second stop. Then we arrived at the sulfur-smelling town of Rotorua, stayed at Distinction Hotel. Pohutu geyser. New Zealand still uses geothermal activity to generate electricity. This was followed by a Native Indian Maori show and dinner.